Hello, everyone. Greetings from Fineness Institute of Clinical Research. Today, we'll be discussing myth versus fact in clinical data management. We have already done so in clinical research as well as pharmacovigilance. I'll share the link down below in the description box. You can check them out as well. So, firstly, before going into the myth, firstly, let's understand what is clinical data management. So clinical data management is a crucial aspect of clinical research that involves the collection, management, analysis of data collected from clinical trial. So there are many myths surrounding clinical data management as well. So the first myth that we come across is clinical data management is only about data entry. But on the contrary, CDM involves much more than just data entry. It includes data cleaning, validation, verification, reporting, as well as quality control and management. So the next myth that we come across is CDM can be done only by anybody with basic computer skills. CDM requires specialized training. You need to know a little bit about the clinical research as well. Knowledge, training, including understanding of the regulatory requirement of that country, data standards, and clinical research processes, phases, basic terminologies, GCP. So you need to know these terminologies for getting, for getting enrolled, getting your first job. And even if you check out the job description of for any job that you apply for, there are terminologies mentioned that you definitely need to know. Now, the next myth is CDM is a one-time process. Like you enter the data, that's sorted. It's not like that. CDM is an ongoing process that starts from the design of the study, continues through data analysis and reporting. It requires continuous monitoring and update to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the data. CDM is not important as long as the data is captured accurately. On the contrary, CDM plays critical role in ensuring the quality, reliability, integrity of the data. It is essential for making informed decision in ensuring the validity of the results of the clinical study. We need to have good quality data for analysis, and for that, CDM plays a very pivotal role. In Stadium nowadays, it's all we are using electronic data capture and ECRFs are used, and that requires software. So for that, also myths are there. We like to burst that myth as well. So firstly, what is electronic data capture, also known as ECRF, electronic case report form? Extremely important software tool in clinical trials, and clinical research relies on accurate data to gather, clean, analyze the data generated in clinical studies. EDC solutions are used. There are two types of CRF, paper-based and electronic. And due to the advancement and the user friendliness of an electronic data capture, it really helps the quality of the data a lot. So these are some of the EDC system in the market: Drave, Inform, Oracle, now EDC, Data Labs, Macro, QDS, and Data Track. So many softwares can be used. Now let's just see the myth as well as the fact in EDC as well. EDC software is harder to use. Using EDC software for your study can make your study run smoother and faster. EDC software makes it easier for mistakes to occur. On the contrary, EDC software helps you detect mistakes and like outlines and typos as they occur. So when the CRC is typing it, then itself the mistakes can get captured by the computer software itself, and it can be rectified. Simple mistakes can be rectified. EDC software is expensive. If you, on the long run, with the introduction of the cloud, EDC has become more and more affordable. And on the long run, the quality is also improved a lot. EDC software is less compliant. HIPAA and 21 CFR, Code of Federal Regulation Part 11 compliant. Majority, all of the softwares are the compliant. Now, since these terms have been mentioned, we'll just see what is HIPAA. Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act is the national action to promote patient healthcare information and privacy in US. And this is from Code of Federal Regulation is from the FDA as well. So was introduced by the FDA on the request of the pharma industry in the early 1990s. And now pharma industry requests guidelines for electronic records and signatures. So FDA created a task force or electronic identification signature to develop a uniform. So it's basically electronic submission and electronic signature that is, and since these are involved when we use EDC, so they have to be compliant. In conclusion, CDM is a complex and a critical process that requires specialized skill, knowledge, and training. It is essential for the success of the study, clinical study, and the validity of the results. As we know, we have provide diploma in clinical research, pharmacovigilance, and data management, as well as a specialized certificate courses. You can get to know more about them at our website, that is www.finennessinstitute.com. You can contact us by email, admin@finennessinstitute.com. Do like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more fun, more contents, we have a lot of planning has gone into these videos, and we intend to add more and more videos. If you have any suggestions, do let us know in the comment section. We will definitely love to cover that as well. Thank you and have a great day.